Lamborghini Urus STX 2026. A shadow cuts through the night, a beast of the future, pulsating with radical energy. The Lamborghini Urus STX 2026 doesn't whisper, it commands attention, a futuristic predator sculpted for the road yet born for the extreme. Every curve screams velocity, every edge embodies dominance. The body is a symphony of aggressive proportions, carbon fiber panels flowing into a bold front splitter. Sleek, angular LED lights pierce the dark. Active aero wings breathe as the SUV moves, while massive matte black wheels claw the asphalt like a predator stalking prey. This is Lamborghini at its most audacious. Inside, the cockpit is a digital sanctuary. A flowing dash of OLED screens merges with Alcantara and brushed titanium. Haptic feedback controls respond like extensions of your hands. The AI anticipates your desires, adjusting driving modes seamlessly. Ambient lighting pulses with speed. Hybrid V12 heart thunders with 1,200 horsepower. Electric boost launches the STX from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blink, blending adrenaline with refined precision. It's unrelenting, yet intelligent, a performance machine that marries raw fury with future mobility. The Urus STX isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a declaration. It forces competitors to evolve or vanish, redefining what a hyper-performance SUV can be. Rimac Nevera SUV Concept 2026. A bolt of electric lightning frozen in steel. The Rimac Nevera SUV concept emerges from the future, radical and untamed. Its silhouette glows under ambient light, a luxury performance car that promises shock and awe at every glance. The exterior merges hypercar aggression with SUV presence. Sweeping fenders, sculpted side skirts, and integrated active diffusers create a sense of motion while standing still. Transparent carbon fiber panels hint at hidden power, while flush OLED headlights pierce the horizon like twin lasers. Step inside, and reality bends. The cabin is pure futurism. Holographic interfaces float above a minimalist console. Seats cradle the body in vegan leather and memory foam, while AI assistant interaction feels intuitive, almost psychic. Sound design envelopes, crafting a symphony for speed. Quad electric motors deliver over 1,400 horsepower, thrusting the Nevera SUV from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. Yet, regenerative systems whisper efficiency, making extreme performance sustainable. This is the SUV that challenges tradition, luxury, speed, and electrification harmonized. It leaves legacy manufacturers scrambling to answer the electric hypercar revolution. Porsche Cayenne Turbo e-Hybrid 2026. Imagine a storm harnessed in a chassis, a SUV where adrenaline meets precision. The Porsche Cayenne Turbo e-Hybrid 2026 steps from the future with a presence that's impossible to ignore, a bridge between tradition and radical innovation. Sculpted curves and muscular shoulders meet razor-sharp LED lights and active rear spoilers. Carbon ceramic brakes peek behind lightweight wheels, promising control over unleashed energy. Every panel communicates purpose, every line a whisper of velocity. Inside, luxury is a living interface. Curved panoramic displays wrap around, AI systems anticipate driver intention, and surfaces blend brushed aluminum with deep leather. Acoustic engineering turns every cabin moment into a cinematic experience. Hybrid powertrain delivers 950 horsepower, turbocharged combustion and electric synergy. Launch control reacts before you even blink. The Cayenne feels alive, intuitive, and dangerously fast. Porsche proves a hybrid SUV can astonish. Performance, design, and emotion converge to challenge perceptions of what a future SUV should be. Mercedes-AMG EQG 2026. A legend reimagined, the EQG 2026 rises as an electric icon, brutal yet sophisticated. Its presence is monumental, a future SUV sculpted from Mercedes' DNA, electrified to the extreme. The road is its canvas, domination, its signature. Squared proportions echo heritage, but futuristic LED strips trace the perimeter. Exposed carbon fiber and brushed aluminum fuse with active cooling vents. Massive wheels seem to float beneath the body, ready to crush terrain and expectations alike. Inside, the EQG cabin is a sanctuary of tech and tactility. OLED displays and AI-enhanced control merge with Napa leather and ambient lighting. Haptic steering responds to intent, while adaptive acoustics create a soundscape of anticipation. Dual electric motors output 750 horsepower, torque instantaneous, silent yet fierce. Range extends beyond city limits, yet the thrill remains raw, refined, electrifying. This SUV redefines off-road supremacy. Luxury and extreme performance now coexist without compromise. Every competitor must rethink strategy. Aston Martin DBX Hydrogen 2026. A whisper of the future cuts through the air. The DBX Hydrogen 2026 glides with elegant fury. Aston Martin takes boldness into uncharted territory, blending sophistication with sustainable performance. Long, low hood lines converge with dramatic wheel arches. Futuristic headlights slice the night, active aerodynamics unfold in motion. The SUV's stance radiates poised aggression, like a predator ready to pounce silently. Step inside to a cabin of tactile luxury. Hand-stitched leather meets ambient hydrogen-inspired illumination. AI-driven cockpit systems anticipate every touch, every intent, seamlessly integrating driver and machine. Soundscapes mimic the faint hum of energy flow. Hydrogen fuel cell delivers over 600 horsepower, with instant torque and whisper-quiet acceleration. Zero emissions, yet the thrill rivals any combustion engine. This is Aston Martin's vision for a radical, luxurious, and sustainable future. It challenges performance norms and inspires an entire class to evolve. McLaren Solus SUV 2026. The Solus SUV emerges from a neon-lit horizon, aggressive, elegant, and unreal. McLaren pushes limits, transforming SUV performance into a future-defining spectacle. Every curve, every shadow, screams precision. The exterior balances aerodynamics with brutal aggression. Carbon fiber body panels flow seamlessly into an active rear wing. LED streaks slice the night, while massive alloy wheels anchor the SUV to the earth. Inside, McLaren crafts a digital cockpit as precise as its performance. Minimalist displays, haptic feedback, and AI-assisted modes immerse the driver in pure emotion. Alcantara and lightweight composites accentuate future luxury. Hybrid V8 delivers 1,000 horsepower, electric torque instantaneous, launching Solus SUV in heart-pounding bursts. It's agile, relentless, and intelligent, a machine that feels alive. McLaren redefines hyper-performance SUVs, creating an aspirational standard competitors cannot ignore. Every curve of the Solus foreshadows the next era. Audi RSQ e-tron 2026. Electric menace meets futuristic elegance. The RSQ e-tron 2026 is a vision of precision and power. Radical yet purposeful, it promises to redefine high-performance SUV luxury. Sharp bodylines converge with illuminated Audi signatures. Sleek carbon fiber panels, active airflow vents, and floating wheels create a sense of motion even at rest. It's aggressive, yet refined. Inside, the RSQ cockpit is cinematic. Curved OLED screens blend with tactile controls. AI integrates driver behavior seamlessly, while ambient lighting sets a pulse for every ride. Acoustic design ensures the roar of the future is felt, not heard. Tri-motor electric power delivers 1,100 horsepower, torque instantaneous, sprinting 0 to 60 miles per hour in a fleeting moment. Range is generous, energy recuperation seamless. Audi positions itself as an electric SUV powerhouse, challenging every luxury and hyper-performance competitor to match its audacity. Ferrari Purosangue Evo 2026. A myth made real, the Purosangue Evo 2026 steps onto the road with radical elegance and unparalleled presence. Ferrari injects SUV luxury with supercar emotion, creating a performance machine that feels alive. Aerodynamic curves flow into a sculpted hood and muscular fenders. Carbon fiber accents and active rear diffusers hint at extreme speed. Signature LED lights slice the night with precision. Inside, Ferrari blends luxury with futurism. Digital instruments float seamlessly in Alcantara-wrapped surrounds. Haptic touchpoints and AI systems anticipate driver needs, while soundscapes heighten every moment of motion. Hybrid V12 delivers explosive power, over 1,200 horsepower surges effortlessly, yet every transition feels refined, precise, and visceral. The Purosangue Evo isn't just a Ferrari SUV, it's a challenge to convention, pushing rivals to reconsider performance, luxury, and the very definition of hypercar in SUV form. Lotus Electra 2026. Emerging from shadows like liquid lightning, the Lotus Electra 2026 is an SUV sculpted for adrenaline. Radical design and extreme performance converge, projecting a future where elegance meets brutality. Sculpted carbon panels, LED matrices, and dynamic aero vents dominate the visual stage. Sleek yet muscular, the stance commands roads and hearts alike. Wheels appear to float, ready to spring into motion. Inside, Lotus fuses innovation with emotion. OLED displays curve around the driver, AI assists every maneuver, while seats cradle with perfect ergonomics. Sound is engineered for thrill, not distraction. Dual electric motors output 900 horsepower, immediate torque, launching the Electra with breathtaking acceleration. Efficiency and performance coexist flawlessly. Lotus challenges the perception of what an SUV can be: radical, luxurious, and relentlessly fast. The future of high-performance SUVs is here. Tesla Model X Plaid Hyper SUV 2026. A storm of electricity and precision, the Tesla Model X Plaid Hyper SUV 2026 glows under neon skies. Radical, silent, and brutal, it's a vision of future mobility. Sharp, aerodynamic panels, illuminated Tesla signature lights, and massive wheels create a silhouette of unstoppable presence. Active aero elements whisper efficiency while promising extreme acceleration. Inside, Tesla's cabin is immersive. Panoramic screens float above vegan leather seats, AI anticipates every input, while sound design evokes tension and release. It's futuristic luxury redefined. Tri-motor powertrain delivers over 1,100 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 2.7 seconds. Range meets practicality, but the thrill remains unmatched. Tesla doesn't just innovate, it rewrites hyper-performance SUV rules. Luxury, technology, and emotion collide, shaping the path forward. The future has arrived, and these SUVs aren't just cars, they're revolutions on wheels. Speed, luxury, and innovation collide,